This is hamburger tartare. Salt, onions, pepper, garlic seasoning, or garlic salt, should I say, and some seasoning salt. Now, I don't do it very often.
All eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me. Party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me. Yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly should be supervised.
I think the last video I did, you saw it. I do put a lot of onions in it. And I try to get all the onions I can into it, minced into it. And eat it like it is. Do you do it every day? Nope. Do I do it every couple of months? Yes. I'm looking through this camera trying to show you everything. You know what you do, you take a clump. Let's see. And it's good fresh red meat. You know, good red. There's no brown in it. I don't do brown. If it's brown, I don't eat it. Take it. Oh, you eat it. I don't know if you can see me. Right here. It's real good. Real good. Good for the heart and soul. Get ready to rain. You can see the cows going in. Will I eat all this? No. Couple of bites? Yes. Freeze the rest and use it as hamburger. But it is good. My wife doesn't eat it, but I do. Real good. I'm gonna taste the garlic, the seasoned salt, and the onion. There it is. Yep. And you're good. My wife is over here making some ribs. Show up here. Slow cooker ribs. And I have I have a lamb roast in there, going about 200, right around 230. I'll set it to 300, and we're back to the hamburger tartare. It is so good. It is so good. It is just sweet. You get some of the onion out of there. I hope I can turn this around. Boom, boom. So good. Hear the crunch of the onion. Let me do it again. Onion. Onion. So good. All right. Shalom.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.